Hey party people, Bourbon Bill here with Bourbon Bill's Pirate Bar. Today we're going to do some very festive decorating, and Bill's going to actually get out from behind the bar. But before we do that, make sure you hit that subscribe, like, and notify bell down there so you're the first to know when we post new videos. We'll be right back. Hey, did you hit that subscribe button while we were away? Well, today we're going to do some DIY decorating to make your next Latino, Day of the Dead, Cinco de Mayo, or just Taco Tuesday night more festive. So let's get out behind the bar and let's go see what we can do to make your next event magical and memorable. Start off by greeting your guests with lots of bright colors. Here we have just a streamer of different colored paper made into triangles with some holes punched and just a simple ribbon just to get some color and set the tone for a fiesta night. On the table we have a Mexican themed runner and of course with lots and lots of votives reminiscent of the Spanish missions, and the papel de chino, which is the paper flowers, and what centerpiece would be complete without a large sombrero. Create different groupings for your fiesta night, and here we have a backdrop that's decorated with different fiesta type decorations. You could easily do balloon arches, but you want to make sure that you have different areas of your party to give a different guest experience. This might actually be a great photo opportunity. Here's another area that carries through on the whole festive fiesta theme. Here we have a serape themed runner, some more fiesta decorations, of course lots and lots of votives and candles, and some souvenirs that we brought back when we visited Mexico. But anything would work out. You could just as easily print out a Mexican flag or Mexican photos and put them on an easel or a small frame. Here, but down below, we took yet another little serape runner and scrunched it up with some candles just to add some interest into an otherwise plain piece of furniture. Well, I hope that got you some great ideas for your next Mexican or fiesta night. And check out our other videos. We have great cocktail recipes, we have party DIY ideas, and we have karaoke parties to check out. So make sure you subscribe, and we'll see you soon.